In this video we will see the analysis of body centered cubic system and face centered cubic system. First we will see the body centered cubic system. In this system you are having 8 corner atoms. In each and every 8 corner it is containing 1/8 part of the atoms present in a 8 corner of given cubic system. In addition to 8 corner atoms, you are having one complete atom present inside the unit cell. So this is said to be body centered cubic crystal. So total number of 8 corner atoms 8. Number of center atom 1. Share of corner atom in each unit cell is 1/8. Total number of atoms per unit cell is 1/8 into 8 plus 1 equivalent to 2. Coordination number. The nearest neighbor for each and every atom or specimen atom is 8. So coordination number is 8. Atomic radius. In this case you have to link the 2 corner atoms in addition to that third complete atom present inside the crystal. So if you are connecting everything, you just see you are having 2r plus r plus r. This side is a, this side is root 2 into a. D is the diagonal of the unit cell. So capital D squared is equivalent to small d squared plus a squared, that is 2a squared plus a squared, because this small d squared is obtained by squaring and adding of these two sides, a squared plus a squared. So you will get a d squared is equivalent to 4r the whole squared, that is equivalent to 3a squared. So what is the radius now? 4r the whole squared is equivalent to 3a squared. So a can be equated with 4r divided by root 3. Now atomic packing factor. Volume of the atoms present inside the unit cell is 2 times that of 4/3 pi r cube, because inside the unit cell you have 2 atoms. So what is total volume of the unit cell? A cube. So substitute a in terms of r, then you will get 4r by root 3 the whole cube, and then you are cancelling the common r cube, then finally you will get root 3 into pi by 8, that is equivalent to 68%. The elements that exhibit this structure are lithium, sodium, potassium and chromium. Next structure is FCC, face centered cubic crystal. See, in this system 8 corner atoms. In addition to 8 corner atoms you have 6 face centered atoms, front, back, left, right, top, bottom. Okay, so if you are selecting any 3 corner atoms, so what will happen? So it is a face centered cubic crystal, no? So 2 corner atom, 1 atom present in the any kind of a face. You link everything. So what will happen? Total radius is 2r, r and r, totally 4r. Side value is a, this side value also a. So a squared plus a squared is equivalent to 4r the whole squared. So number of corner atoms 8, number of face centered atoms 6. So 6 into 1/2 is equivalent to 3, because it is shared by only one unit cell. So here the 8 corner atoms divided by 8 corner and 8 unit cells nearest to the unit cell 1. So 1/8 into 8, that is equal to 1. So total number of atoms per unit cell is 1/8 into 8 plus half into 6, that is equal to 4. Coordination number. If you are selecting any specimen atom and you are checking the total number of nearest neighbor, means you will get 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is equivalent to 12. So coordination number is 12. Atomic radius, I told you earlier, a squared plus a squared is equivalent to 2a squared, and it is equated with the 4r the whole squared. From that, what is r? A root 2 by 4. If you are equating both, you will get this. Atomic packing factor. So totally how many atoms present? 4 atoms. 4 into 4/3 pi r cube is total volume, and the radius of the atom in FCC is a root 2 divided by 4. You have to utilize it. volume occupied by the atoms per unit cell. So APF is equivalent to small v by capital V. If you are substituting, you will get 74%. That implies it is having higher density, and example is potassium bromide. Thank you.